Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to reduce zoom in Outlook. Unwanted zoom levels can make reading and managing your emails quite challenging. A quick and easy way to adjust this is by simply holding down the Control key on your keyboard and then scrolling your mouse wheel either up or down. Scrolling down will reduce the zoom, making your text smaller and more manageable, while scrolling up will increase it. This offers immediate visual relief for your current view. To set a more permanent default zoom level, first click on the File tab in Outlook, then select Options and choose Mail. Look for the Compose Messages section and click on the Zoom button. Here, you can select your preferred default zoom percentage, perhaps 100%, ensuring all new messages and your reading pane open at a comfortable size. Remember to click OK to save your changes. Sometimes you might want to adjust the zoom for just one specific email without changing your overall settings. When you have an individual message open in its own window, look for the zoom slider located in the bottom right corner. You can drag this slider to increase or decrease the text size for that particular email. This adjustment is temporary, affecting only the message you are currently viewing and won't alter your default settings. If you find that zoom issues persist, it's a good idea to check your computer's overall display scaling settings, as these can sometimes override Outlook's preferences. Also, after making any significant changes to your zoom settings, restarting Outlook can often help apply those changes correctly and resolve any minor glitches. Aim to maintain a comfortable zoom level, typically between 100 and 125%, for optimal readability and productivity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.